From December 1st to December 24th, I will be posting daily videos for you guys. 24 easy, quick, fun projects you can make. Paper crafts, glitter foam, fabric, wool, and even toilet paper rolls. You know, lots of fun on a very small budget. This is my very first Vlogmas and it may just be my last because it is going to be insane. Will you join me? Then don't forget to tap the notification bell to make sure you do not miss out on any of the videos. I think I'm ready to start. Are you? We're almost at the end of Vlogmas and I figured it was time for one of those easy, shall I call it lazy, projects you can make in 5 minutes and get your craft on. It's a simple but beautiful ornament that's perfect as a Christmas decor, but you know, for any time of the year really, it just works, you know. Quick reminder that if you want to know about the materials, the tools, and the filming gear I used for this video, you can check out the links in the description.